I have the Samsung Galaxy S24 and I'll be showing you how to record calls on this phone. Now, depending on what region you're in or where you bought your Galaxy S24, you may or may not have a native built-in call recording feature into the phone. So to check, just go to the phone app and then make sure keypad is selected and then tap on the three dot button in the top right corner and select settings. That should take you into the call settings page. Now here, if you have the call recorder feature, you should see record calls somewhere below block numbers. So it should be between this option and this option. You should have record calls option. You can tap on that and see the options you have for native call recording. But for most people, especially if you come from the US and other countries like mine, that feature is not on the phone, and that's because the laws around our regions don't allow this feature. They basically don't allow you to record calls without the consent of the other person, at least officially. But we can go ahead and look for a tool. So go to the Galaxy Store, and in the Galaxy Store, let's go ahead and look for an app called Cube ACR. Now you can use any app you want. This is just my personal favorite. So just look for Cube ACR. This is a call recorder app. Okay, so there you go. So Cube ACR call recorder. So go ahead and find that app and install it on your phone. Now this app is also available in the Google Play Store, but there are some rules around the Google Play Store that prevent this app from working the way it should. So the best way to do it is to download it from the Galaxy Store. And then once the app is installed, you can either tap on open to launch it or just go to the app screen and find it there and launch it. Now on the first page, it will tell you this app will automatically record your incoming and outgoing phone calls, WhatsApp, Viber, and other VoIP apps conversations. So what you want to do is tap on next, and then here are some permissions that this app requires. It requires your storage because that's where it's going to save your call recordings. It requires access to your microphone because it needs to record what you're saying in the phone call. It requires the phone access because it wants to detect incoming and outgoing calls, and also it requires access to your contacts because it needs the names attached to the specific recordings. Okay, so these are reasonable permissions that you might have to grant. So do that and then tap on allow, contacts allow, manage phone calls allow, and then allow access to the storage. So then you should see enable app connector. Okay, so if you tap on that, it's going to take you to this page. This is in the accessibility settings. Go to installed apps, find Cube ACR app connector, tap on that and enable that, and then tap on allow. Okay, so once you do that, you may or may not allow the Cube ACR app to send you notifications. That's basically personal preference. Okay, so I'll just select don't allow. Then it's going to ask disable power optimization for Cube. I'll just ignore that and tap on got it. Stop optimizing battery usage. Allow. Okay, and then you have that. Just tap on okay, got it, and that's it. So now you have the Cube ACR app. You also have the option for enabling and disabling geotagging, which basically helps you remember the place where you made or received a phone call. Now, do you want that? Now, again, that's personal preference. I'll just select no thanks. You can enable it later in the settings. Okay, got it. And then you have the free version, and also you have the premium version. Okay, and the premium version obviously comes with a few extra features. If you like the app, you can pay for it, but for now you can just close this and use the app for free, and if you like it, you can just pay for the premium version later. So it says you're all set up to go. It's going to record from the phone and from WhatsApp. Okay, You can make your first phone call to test it, or you can just hit the back button. Okay, so let's have another look at this app. Okay, so let's go to phone. Let's try and make a call. I'm just gonna make a quick call to a colleague of mine.
Hello?
How are you?
I'm good.
Are you almost here?
Yeah, I'm on my way.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, see you.
Okay.
So now with that call made, the app should have recorded that particular call. So if I now go back to Cube ACR, it should list that call there. So here's the call I just made. Now I have previous phone calls because I had this app before I made this video and I had to uninstall it, so I can show you the process of installing this app. So this is a call I just made, and I can listen back.
Hello?
How are you?
I'm good.
Are you almost here? And it's pretty clear. Now if you want some extra features like high bitrate recording to make the audio very more clear, for those features you might need the premium version. But of course you can always go to the app and tap on this button here, come here to the main menu, and there are a couple of settings you can change. You can change the location, you can change things to do with recording. Do you want to skip headset calls? Do you want to exclude specific callers from being recorded? You have the phone calls clarity improvement. All this stuff you can change in the menu. Okay, so that's it. So you can even put this app in dark mode. There's so many things you can do. More importantly, you want to make sure this is enabled, auto start recording. So it's going to detect an incoming call or an outgoing call and record automatically without your effort. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.